I'm back from Oregon. I got the car back up and running. Took maybe 5 minutes. Parts came in while I was in Oregon. So yeah, I'll walk you through it. There we go. Got some focus in. So I suspect that whoever terminated this grabbed the wires, doubled them over. So I suspect they doubled the wires over because they didn't have the correct size crimping die on their crimpers to make a really solid connection. And doubling the wires over that way is really a suboptimal way to crimp a connection like that. But I shouldn't need to cut or restrip the wires. All right, so the Duratec crank angle sensor uses an Econo seal with a J configuration. I only needed the pin set. The connectors are fairly inexpensive, so I just picked up 2. It's good to have spares. The correct tool is an open barrel crimp. I have 2. One's ratcheting, one is not ratcheting. I tend to prefer the non-ratcheting one. With your wire, you have an Econo seal. You should put that over the wire first. You want to make sure that the seal is pushed all the way up to just where the conductors start to come through. And there's a reason for that. You want the terminals, one of the sets of prongs to grip onto the conductor, and then you want the other set to grip onto the jacket and Econo seal. Set this into place so that we have the seal and the conductor set up. I will go ahead and I will take my crimpers. I typically tend to like these, like I said, more than those. I just tend to get better results. That's probably the quality of the crimper and not much else. So go ahead and give those a good crimp. There we go. We have a good crimp on the conductor. That's not going anywhere. Come back, do the same thing for the seal. Just give that a nice gentle squeeze. There we go. And there we have a very good, very solid, not going anywhere crimp. And that's what's going to go on the car to replace the crimps that were there.